So I went to go try to start this truck, and this truck is completely dead. It's the battery, and I'm sitting here debating, should I change out the battery and take the battery to Walmart, change out the battery and bring it back and put it back together. But then I realized it's just so much work. So I think what I'm gonna do is just try to jump this thing, drive it to Walmart, not turn it off, to see if they even have the battery for it, and if they're willing to change it out. Man, what a way to start the morning. And the hard part here is just like you gotta take off this bracket, then take this out. I mean, I don't know why they make it like so hard. I literally was just gonna call somebody to do it, but then I'm like, I don't even know what to do. Alright, let's figure this thing out. Hopefully I don't get shocked. Come on, get in there. There we go. See what side the battery's on here. Hopefully all this stuff I'm doing, I go down there, there's a battery. Alright, maybe right about there. Oh. See if it works, baby. I think you're supposed to give it a little bit of gas. I could be doing this wrong. Yeah, we did it! Yeah! Yoo! She sounds cherry. All right, hopefully Walmart has the battery that looking for. All right, things did not come out as planned. So according to Walmart, it's going to take at least 2 to 3 hours just to do the battery change. So now I figured, you know what, just gonna have to call an Uber, go home. For some apparent reason, I thought it was just a good idea to just drive all the way down here, have them change it, and I could just leave. But nope, that didn't work. So now time to Uber home. There she is. You're an Uber, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just want to make sure. Chakits. All right. Oh, I want to give a quick shout out to Charlie. He was actually the Uber driver, and he was like the coolest dude ever. You know, like some people, they're just like so full of life. You can just tell they're like aura about them that they're just a good person. What's up, babe? Oh, look at this hottie. Boom. Say what's up. Haven't rode my bike for a while, so. Well, the reason why we didn't ride it for a while because the tire popped when I was riding it. So now, decided, you know what? It's time to ride again. So we're gonna take it down to the bike shop, get the tires replaced, and get a tune-up. Look at that beast. That thing is cherry. All right, so we just head back down to Walmart to grab the truck. Jessica's driving the truck, I'm driving the Jeep. Oh man, this literally took us like 3 hours of our day on a Sunday. All right, let's get out of here. So we're heading over to Kohl's real quick. I gotta drop off 2 items from Amazon. Jessica had purchased a dress and a shirt, but it seems like every time you order like clothes like from Amazon, it just like never fits right, and the materials are not that great. However, we got a Kohl's over here just right off of 215 Valley Verde. My office is just right up the road too as well. We got a lot of things that we got to do today here. Now the drop off for Amazon is going to be in the back here. Hello, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Barcode.
Oh, they're both on the same.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, that makes it easy.
Cool. That was simple, huh?
Yep. Confirmation numbers at the bottom.
Okay.
You can actually start using that today.
Okay, thank you so
good
much.
for a week. Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Stay cool.
Thank you. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Look at this beauty, huh? I got one flat tire. I think it's like the front or something like that. Then I realized I haven't rode for a while. The back is flat too. Okay. So I think I busted a tube or something. Also, if I could do a tune-up too, I appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, yeah. Let's take a look at some of these bikes, man. Oh, look at these beach cruisers right here. That's the kind that you need, but we gotta get you one with the batteries. You know what I mean? Looks like they don't really have that many bikes to choose from. Oh, we still gotta close that back. Oh, what is that thing sticking up there? Oh, it's just a piece of Next time I need you to open a door for me, Ben. Nah, I'm just kidding.
Whatever.
They'd be like, oh my god, she opened the door for him? Had to stop by and get some Arby's. Oh, they're closed. Be back.
Oh, they're closed on Sundays.
Oh, what a bummer. So I'm actually gonna get my watches fixed. What a bummer. A couple weeks ago we had to came by, got some glasses. My eyesight is going bad. Hello.
Hi, how can I help you?
We're here to pick up my glasses.
Yeah, what's the last name?
Krulsawat.
One more time.
Krulsawat. Krulsawat.
And then first name.
Chakits. Chakits.
Thank you. Take a seat for me on that desk.
On this side right here? Oh, we get the chair at the back part, Ben. So what are we doing right now?
So I'm gonna fit the glasses, make sure your prescription is good.
Okay.
And then we'll see behind your ears, just make sure they are fitting right.
Can I take off my mask?
And then both cases and cleaning cloths are in here.
Let's see how this thing looks.
They look really good.
I feel like it's leaning towards this way more.
Yeah, it could be. If you wanna look at me and then yeah, this side's higher. Go ahead, take it off. So this is my heater. Just gonna warm it up. Can't really bend cold plastic.
Oh, okay. So you're heating up the middle part, is that what it is?
Right.
Okay, so hopefully we'll see you later. Bye.
So now they're straight.
Oh yeah.
And then now I just have to fix the back.
Yeah.
So you see how my finger can fit through there?
Like where? Here?
Up here, so it's not really close to your ears.
But it feels like it kind of is.
So sometimes they'll widen out because the sun will heat up the frame and then they just kind of get loose. I can leave it there if you want me to. You can come back for any adjustments in the future.
So what are you going to do is bring it down this way?
I'm just going to bend it a little bit, right, so it hooks onto your ear.
I feel like it kind of flares out right here a little bit.
So I can bring it out too, yeah. It's bolted out. Yeah, I saw that.
Just like that.
No problem. I'll fix that.
Yeah, a little bit more on that side.
It has to go down?
Yeah, a little bit down.
Stay here. Are you sure it's just not my eyebrows?
No, try put this one on. That's why, because it was pretty straight with that one. You see it?
Yeah,
so that side
just
needs to come down just a tad, yeah.
So eyebrows are sisters, not twins.
Oh, don't say that. Let me know what you guys think about the new glasses here. Let me put my mask back on real quick. I just wanted to show you guys because I was so excited. Oh, look. It transitioned into
Oh, you did?
Oh yeah, remember that
Yeah.
What is it called?
It's transition I think it's just transition lenses, isn't it?
Oh wow. Totally forgot about that.
But then it should lighten up in here, I think.
Is that what they said?
Because
I can see it in the thing. Oh, that's cool. Perfect. Now let's see how my driving is. I don't think they don't have it, darling. And I don't think we are dressed appropriate for this store. I look like I just came out of the gym. But we are trying to find some, what is that, white gold earrings for Jessica. Like some hoops. So you guys are probably wondering where we're at. We're at Fashion Show Mall over here on Las Vegas Boulevard and Desert Inn. We're gonna head over to the Coach store real quick. What up, everybody? Not much. Didn't you want something from here, darling? Oh, look at this baseball glove. That's a nice sweater, though. Oh, it doesn't even look comfortable. It doesn't feel comfortable. Oh, this is a pretty nice wallet. But I still like my Versace better. Oh, what do you think about a Coach hat, babe?
It looks more too big. Is there different sizes?
Yeah, I think this just goes like this. So I just got this little label right here. Look at this. The CKG, the Chakits Krulsawat group. That's right. This is actually from my computer bag, actually. So the story behind this was that when we were in Hawaii at the Kahala Mall, right, babe? No, what mall was that?
Waikele.
Yeah, we were at Waikele Mall, and I got a brand new computer Coach bag. But then we got the label, but didn't have time to make this right here. I don't even think they even had the label maker. So I figured, you know what? I want to wait until I get back to Vegas to get this done. Oh, right. What's up, everybody? So I'm over here at Coronado Ranch, located here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley. And we have this property right here that we're going to be touring for a client. The client is actually out of the country, so we're going to do a quick video tour for them. And we'll get everything going, sent on over to them. Also, you're probably wondering, why am I wearing a red shirt now? I had to change my shirt. If you guys haven't had a chance to get your merch, the actual t-shirt, go ahead and get the actual t-shirt. And also, you're probably wondering, why did I cut the sleeves? Because it's just comfortable. That's right. So this is the home right here. Alright guys, so out of respect for the owners, I won't be able to show you guys the inside, but I'm going to have a link to the description of this property, which will show you the pictures of the property, the dimensions. So if you guys want to check out this property, let me know what your thoughts are. It's a pretty nice house. Seems like all the American West homes are just all pretty much all cookie cutter, all the same, but it's all huge. So we're probably just gonna finish our Sunday with a foot spa. That's right, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a 2-hour foot massage for $100 each.
Perfect.
We're checking our temperature right now.
Oh, you are? Yeah. Okay. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay, and so you can choose your lotion.
Oh.
You do a custom aromatic sort of experience here. This is Wild Orchid. Okay. All right. This is green tea and matcha.
I bet that's,
Oh, I'm gonna do that.
I was thinking that's probably going to be the one I'm going to
Oh,
want
really?
too.
Yeah. Okay. This is mandarin orange.
Oh, that smells good too.
Yeah, that's
I
my
love the
favorite
smell of,
actually.
green
Oh, that's
tea.
real good.
Lavender's my second fave.
Oh, nah, I'm not.
Nah. And this is wild berry.
That's kind of good too. I think I'm gonna go with the second one.
I think I like number 2. Yeah.
Okay, you're both number 2. Okay,
Yeah.
remember your number.
Okay.
That's right. Also,
Okay.
guys, I want to say, what's the name of this? New
Life Foot Spa.
Life Foot Spa. Check this out. This is the owner right here, Robert. And this guy's actually very nice and he's very cool. Customer service was great over the phone. And we do this every single week. And I just wanted to say, if you guys are interested in getting a foot massage, I want you guys to come here. I'm going to have a link in the description below. Right, Robert?
That's correct.
There you go.
Come on in. We're ready for you.
Support local businesses. So this is how we're going to finish the massage right here. With a bowl of Vietnamese soup. That's right. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that way you guys can get updated on new properties that hit the market. And also, subscribe. Did I say the subscribe part yet? No, I haven't. Hit that subscribe button. No, I think I said hit the thumbs up. I don't know what I said. I'm just lethargic right now.